Hello, my friend! Do you want to make money on YouTube without showing your face? Well, you definitely can, and in this video, I'm going to prove it to you by showing you 5 really great niches that you can use right now to start making money on YouTube without having to show your face. My name is Micah Money, and I'm here to help you Micah Money too. I'm part of a large group of people who help each other make money on YouTube, and we would love you to join us. I'll tell you more about that later, but right now, let's get into this video. YouTube really is one of the best places you can start an online business right now. But when most people think of doing YouTube, they think they have to get in front of a camera, shoot a bunch of footage, spend countless hours editing it, and they just cross their fingers and hope to get some views. But sadly, most people do not get many views and then they just give up. There must be a better way. Well, there is a better way. You need to start a cash cow YouTube channel, and you need to do it in a really great niche. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications because in my upcoming videos, I'm going to do a shout out to a random subscriber each video. So be sure to subscribe and maybe I'll shout out your channel in the next video. Time for the niches. Niche number 5 is the car niche. Here's a really great example channel in the car niche called Bladed Angel. Check out the kinds of videos that this channel is making. 5 coolest car trims we forgot exist. These videos are brilliant because they are fairly easy to make and they use a lot of memes and humor throughout the videos too. Let's take a look at their most popular video, 5 cheap cars that make you look rich. I absolutely love this channel, and what's great about all these niches I'm going to show you in this video is that you don't actually have to go out and record your own videos. This person here is not shooting any of their own videos of these cars. It's mostly just still images of cars that they have downloaded from the internet with their unique voiceover on top. You could easily make a video like this in an hour or two, or even pay other people to make videos like this for you. Then all you have to do is come up with good video ideas and then upload the finished video to your channel. So back to Bladed Angel. This channel is pulling down between $280 and $4,600 every month according to Social Blade. And usually the actual amount the channel makes is in between these two numbers, so this channel is probably bringing in about $2,700 every month. Now, if you started 10 or 11 channels like this one, you could easily bring in $30,000 every month, just like the title of this video says. But don't worry, you do not need to start 10 or 11 channels to make that much money. Keep watching because in this video, I'm going to be showing you some channels that are so big, they bring in $30,000 and more every month by themselves. Let's take a look at the next niche. Number 4 is the celebrity niche. This channel has 1.63 million subscribers and they're making videos like What You Never Knew About Buddy Valastro, the one moment that saved the entire Fixer Upper series, Here's What We Really Know About Queen Elizabeth's Pets. And all the footage is downloaded from the internet. They are not shooting any of this footage themselves, but they put their unique voice on top of it, which makes it fair use. Let's see what the most viewed video is. Things Meghan Markle can't do after she marries Prince Harry. 9.7 million views. And they're making between $3,800 and $60,000 every month. So they're probably pulling down actually around $35,000 every month with just this one channel. There is absolutely no reason you could not do the exact same thing. Let's check out another quick example in the celebrity niche. Viral Vision. Coming in with 262,000 subscribers. Check out this video. 10 times Johnny Depp tried to warn us about Amber Heard. 17 million views. You could make this video for sure. What else are they doing? 7 times Amber Heard lied under oath and got caught. 10 times celebrities stood up to Ellen on Ellen. Let's see how much money this channel is making. Between $600 and $10,000 every month. So this channel is easily making $5,000 or more every month. That is at least $60,000 every year. And that's a conservative estimate. Social Blade says this channel could be making up to $234,000 a year. That is an insane amount of money, and there is no reason you could not do the same thing. Next up is number 3, the animal niche. And no, you do not need to own pets or go on a safari to make huge bank in the animal niche on YouTube. Check out this channel, Viral Bee. They've got over 2 million subscribers, and they just do videos like 10 fastest animals on this planet, most tough-looking dogs, 10 most dangerous dogs. Let's see how much they are making. Between $1,000 and $17,800 every month. So this channel is probably realistically making at least $10,000 every month. And here's the great thing. You can make even more money than that if you put affiliate links in your video description. The animal niche is a great niche to monetize with affiliate products. For example, you could just go to ClickBank and look for a product about dog training. Sign up to be an affiliate and then put your affiliate link that they give you in your video description. Every time someone clicks on that link and buys the product, you make money. And that is on top of the ad revenue that YouTube pays you. So how much money would that be? Well, let's take the Viral Bee channel as an example. Let's pretend they put this affiliate link at the top of their description of every video. This channel has gotten 6,644,767 views in the last 30 days. Let's say not even 1% of those people convert. Let's say not even 0.5% of those people convert. Let's say that only 0.01% of those people convert and purchase the dog training course. That is 664 people times the average commission of $30. That is an extra $19,920 every month. Add that to the ad revenue this channel is making, and that would be $30,000 every month. And that is a conservative estimate. I am telling you, you have got to get in on this. Let's move on to the next niche. Number 2, the airplane niche. Here's an example channel called Dark Skies in the airplane niche with over 420,000 subscribers. Let's take a look at their most popular content. Largest plane to ever land on an aircraft carrier. And again, this channel does not record videos, they do not show their face, and they never appear on camera. They just download footage of planes, add their own voiceover, and upload it. And they're making between $1,000 and $20,000 every month. So I'd say at least $10,000 a month or more. But they're making way more than that, and I'll tell you why. If we go back to their channel home and scroll down, what's this? These are 7 other channels that this person operates. Dark Docs, Dark 5, Dark Files, Dark Space, Dark Footage, Dark Seas, and Dark Tech. So they run 8 channels. And the best part is, they didn't have to record any of their own footage or get in front of a camera and show their face. The person who owns this channel is a genius. Now, if we look at these channels, Dark Docs, between $1,000 and $18,000 a month, so let's say $10,000 safely. Dark 5, $2,000 per month easy. Dark Files. Now something weird is going on in the analytics with this one. It doesn't show the estimated monthly earnings, but based on the yearly earnings, let's say $1,000 per month. Dark Space, $1,500 per month easy. Dark Footage, $7,000 per month or more. Dark Seas, that's another $7,000 per month. And Dark Tech, there's another $7,000 per month. And all without having to show the person's face and without having to record any of their own footage. So for all 8 of their channels, they're making around $45,500 every month. $500,000 every year in ad revenue easy. Can you imagine if you had this many channels pulling in money for you every month? You can totally do this. How? Well, start with just one channel and make the videos by yourself. You gotta start slow. Then, when that channel is making you money every month, take some of that money and pay other people to make videos for you. Keep doing that until you have enough money to start a second channel, then a third channel, then a fourth. Before you know it, you've got 10 channels pulling in money for you every month, and you don't even have to make videos. Let's look at one more example. This is one of the best niches, honestly. Number 1 is the health niche. Health is a really huge topic on YouTube, and there are tons of faceless cash cow channels making tons of money every month. Here's a really great example called Natural Cures. They've got over 3 million subscribers. If we look at their most popular videos, it's things like why you should sleep with garlic under your pillow, with 30 million views. How to remove blackheads naturally, 14 million views. 7 things you can do to lose weight naturally. Do you think this person gets in front of the camera or shoots their own footage? Absolutely not. This is a totally faceless channel using free stock footage to make all their videos. But they could potentially be making a lot more than that if they put affiliate links in their video descriptions. Going back to ClickBank, we can see there are tons of health products we can promote. This one pays out about $153 on average per sale. So if we go back and look at this channel, we can see they've gotten over 2 million views in the past 30 days. Okay, let's say not even 1% and not even 0.5%. Let's say that only 0.01% of those people convert and buy this product. That's 232 people. Multiply that by $153 per sale equals $35,264 per month every month, and that is on top of the ad revenue from YouTube. This is totally possible, and you can do the exact same thing. So at this point, you have two options. You can try to start a niche channel by yourself, try to learn what works and what doesn't work by yourself through trial and error. This can take a really long time, but if you keep at it, eventually you will figure it out. But unfortunately, most people burn out and give up long before they make any money. Or you can do option number 2, which is learning from and working with someone who has already done this multiple times, who can mentor you and help you get the results that you want. Now, this is called Tube Mastery and Monetization, and it is a course and also a super active community designed to help you start making money with YouTube as fast as possible without showing your face or even making videos. And if you do want to make the videos, it'll help you with that also. If you chose the second option, I would love to introduce you to the coaching program that I started with. You will be able to come and ask any questions that you have at any time and have your questions answered directly. This is definitely the best YouTube course you will ever get your hands on, and if you want access to that and lifetime access to the private community, check out Tube Mastery and Monetization down at the link below. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to do this, and let me know what niche you think interests you the most. Then check out this video where I show you exact example videos that you can make by yourself without showing your face to make money on YouTube. Thank you for watching. Let's do this. I'll see you in the next video.